Right, Chrissy just put some ginger, no, whatever that is, ginger beer, but I heavy missed it, flying about.
Shandy. Magical formula.
Shandy. This is magic mushroom liquid. Well, it's actually,
Liquid.
I call it the beautiful bar, but...
I'm winning it.
Oh.
Is that it?
Is that it? Just go.
Same colour as my bag.
Oh hi, that was barely in the drink.
Was it?
Okay.
I think you get chucked out of pub if you drink that slow. We're not gonna. I think we're gonna sell 1 pint to this guy. Name what is not there.
Not making that.
Right. I'll shut up. That's boring, bro.
Chrissy, what are you doing? Chrissy, you're boring.
Keep going. I don't know why they call it a blowjob if she sucks. And you also, I know, but you park in your driveway as well. Right, keep drinking. You park.
I feel sick.
Yeah, it's because you failed.
If you're alcohol, you won't do it.
Yeah, well.
Too much liquid.
That's what she said. Keep going. You can... That's what she said. Keep going. You just put more liquid back into it.
What are you gonna do?
Keep going.
Yo.
Ta-da! Christopher actually did it eventually.